Show a statute. Can show of what that falls under. You're an attorney on all things. You are a state and federal attorney. Can you state the statute in the code of where it specifies that?
And then that person repeated that information? Something like that?
You think an attorney would just know it offhand?
I would think the same, you know.
Like, I hope they didn't go to DeVry to become an attorney. That might be the problem.
Information from other people, personally.
My God, that might be the problem if they went to DeVry for their.
I would think that
for their
that person would
legal
also
education
get in trouble for doxing if you repeat that information, because again, anything that's sensitive information that is not readily available to the public, that's doxing. Okay. And if you are using it to be malicious, harass, threaten, or anything like that, that is the definition of doxing, according to the Department of Homeland Security.
Yeah, well, this app's not supposed to be here, according to the Supreme Court.
So.
Yeah, here we are. So.
Anybody have any questions?
Anybody have any questions? Supreme Court says we're not supposed to be here. So.
Right?
Still here.
Because they want to make it seem like their favorite creator that did the doxing. Right. Hello, little one. What if you are well known by your actual name?
It doesn't name your name. If your name is not something that's readily available on a social media platform or anything like that, then
it could mean you should do it. Like, even if it's legal, it don't mean you should do it.
If you knew my real name,
like, it's not nice.
Then my real name would not be doxable because you literally could look.
Bro, then who is on her page? Is she committing some kind of fucking deception? What do you mean that's not her name? She's showing her law degrees. Her certificate's with a name. Is she saying that's not her legal name? Does she know she's not? Does she know she's on TikTok?
Mm-hmm.
Record this. In case we have to bring it to court.
What about reporting a person to CPS for abuse if you have a video? I don't know what you mean by that.
So I want everybody to stitch this video with whatever GED certificate.
So it is my time to shine. Y'all see that? So let's start with, that's my paralegal degree. That is my bachelor's degree. That is my law degree. Thurgood Marshall School of Law, Texas Southern University, HBCU. And that is the beautiful law license for the state of Texas. And that is just something for me to really brag about. The Texas Bar College.
I don't know why. Maybe I typed your name in. I don't see you on the bar.
My certificate of completion for the Petroleum Land Management Certificate, and basically I can do real estate and oil and gas law. But I am a family law lawyer, and this is what I do. I do
what? Wait, what?
I do business law and.
You're a family lawyer, but you're saying you're a real estate lawyer, but you're saying you could practice family law.
Like the case. Now, I appreciate everybody and all their info, but I am not going to discredit this lawyer before I believe regular people. Now, if you pass the bar,
she did it.
I totally
I don't see her name on the bar.
All the things that y'all do, but this lady has a degree.
Go look.
This lady works as a family.
Go look. She's not on the bar. I don't care what degree she has.
But
why don't I see her on the bar? Why is the dude, the attorney that she says she works for, on it? Pops right up, but I can't find that name.
But y'all are still proving her right. You're still proving.
I believe that's also a crime if you're lying at your attorney.
With HB,
which then you're going to get that guy that you're working for in trouble also. It makes him look bad.
Done is illegal. That is my point. Not proving Attorney Mimi wrong. I'm not trying to prove Attorney Mimi wrong. I am pointing out how illegal it was for Scammy Claus and all the rest of them people to dox my legal name The ones
It's
that
not.
posted my children,
Unfortunately.
the ones who posted my address,
Unfortunately. And don't mean you should do it,
is
though.
illegal.
Especially
and
if they don't got no
take
crimes or
action.
nothing.
And if need be, I can.
And this is not even real. I don't find this.
To press
Is that some kind of code for her
charges
CA?
against each and every
Or is it
last
actually friends with
one
attitude and they're
of
just
you.
abbreviating it? Because I look up FWA 501 and ain't nothing comes up.
I haven't doxed anybody's address. I haven't done anything. So if you're doxing children,
I believe you pewed someone,
if you're
allegedly.
posting up children, if you're posting,
You got
my
bigger
legal
problems
name,
than a
if you have
doxing.
posted anyone's
You like pewed someone.
legal name, it is illegal. Okay? Especially if it's used under malicious intent. I respect everyone's opinion,
Damn, all those news people are like,
but
they better.
if I had to hire
Gonna be a lot of people in jail.
I know she would get me.
Like all the people from CNN, Fox, all those anchors and stuff. They're gonna all be sitting up in the penitentiary.
And I would have to agree with you, Star Babies. I believe people have gotten really out of hand with providing.
Did anybody go look and see if they find that name on the Texas bar?
Average talk, okay? Did you
I
hear
can't.
the attorney say, even if someone else does it, you're still liable for what you do. So if someone else does
I just go to the Texas bar.
See,
Like
and they take that
you could put her name in Google. It'll show who she works for. Type that lawyer in. You'll see them pop right up. Then type her name. It's not in there. It just says search Google.
Harassment. Okay.
That's
So
harassment.
search Google.
People after people after people, after person after person after person, giving my name, my legal name, and everything without my permission and my consent is illegal.
No, it's not, ma'am.
That's
News
why
do it
I have
every
this
day.
attorney in here.
I doubt they're an attorney.
That's why I have her in here. That's why I have her
I
giving.
doubt they're an attorney. She can't even give legal advice.
It's illegal.
She's not your
what I have
attorney.
done.
She cannot give
And
legal
I can
advice
take a
unless you
court
frickin'
action
actually
on their
retained her
asses.
and did a contract.
That
And
makes
really,
it
she couldn't
dangerous
give
for
legal
my
advice
children
anyway,
to
really,
dox
online
my address.
to everybody else. She couldn't do it.
It's malicious intent.
It puts her in a whole
It's
big freaking
illegal.
trouble. If they go to case using her advice and they lose, if they got a legitimate case to sue her.
Public information. It's not illegal.
They could sue her if they use her advice. That's why she says she's not acting as an
Public
attorney.
information is not illegal, but anything that is on this list, that's why I'm bringing this up. Anything on this list.
Is it Santa Claus's list? Did they check it
sensitive
twice?
information. That is.
Should I show the code where
Okay?
TikTok's
I
not
also
allowed
have
in the country?
The definition
Should we
of
show that
doxing
law?
as defined by the
Not a
Department of
definition.
Homeland
Should we show that
Security.
law?
Okay, so
That
I'm
the outlaws, the
getting
app
this
that
from
we're still
a
on?
reputable source. Okay, doxing refers to gathering an individual's personally identifiable information and releasing it publicly
If only it was that
for
easy.
malicious purposes, such as
I've been
public
doxxed
humiliation,
so many times.
stalking, identity theft, or targeting for harassment.
So did anybody hear that, right? It was done to me maliciously. It was done to me and people are harassing me. It was done to me. So are we listening, people? So your favorite creator.
Here, it's called HR 7521, 118th Congress,
I don't have this attorney
2023,
up here.
2024.
Homeland Security. She has Homeland Security.
And then
This ain't
uphold.
Google.
That's the law. And then
This
the
is
Supreme
Homeland Security.
Court
This
of
is
law of the
federal.
land
You can
upholds
actually
the law.
Google this and
It
find this
upholds
exact document. It ain't hard,
HR 7
but it's from
7521.
It's an infographic from the Department of Homeland Security.
See, I just gave you a
You
statute.
see the info
But look-
on the
look
back-
where
on
we
the
still
background
are.
on there.
Look
This is
what
why,
we're still
for
on.
those of you that have given me people's names and all the things, I have not put it out because
docs.
I've done my own research.
Is that Ebonics or something you're
I get a
speaking?
lot
What
of
the
y'all
fuck's that
think
even
y'all
mean?
smarty-arty
Technically,
pantses,
your mom
but
was
friends
doxxed.
not dumb. I have each
You
and every
live
last
in
person's
mom's basement.
name and address that have doxed me, but I will not dox them.
Should try hooked on phonics. See if that works out better for you.
I refuse to do that because some things need to be remained quiet. The doxing of my children. Illegal. Illegal.
That might be. Whoever doxed your children.
Illegal.
Might be.
I'll switch to that page too.
Oh, go ahead. I'll let you read it to them.
Yeah,
Since they all smart, child. Now, mind you, I brought a real lawyer in here.
It's not a real lawyer.
He is a TikTok lawyer.
Well, why can't they give their name? Even though they got a name on their webpage.
Right?
They got certificates on their name with their name.
Show my credentials.
And that name can't be seen on the bar
Yours on the wall,
association.
honey. I saw yours on the wall. Me and you have talked. I saw yours on the wall, so I ain't worried about these folks.
Yeah, you can look me up too.
Oh, but now, what do you mean? I thought you said you never gave your name.
These folks need to get some real
So now
credentials.
now she's saying the name is hers.
The fucking lie.
Now she's saying the name that is on her page is her name.
Google is what Google does. Kiana, I can sue you. HB, I can sue you too.
You can sue anybody for anything.
Because I have never doxed either one of y'all.
Attorney Mimi.
Giving your real names. So
Attorney Mimi.
y'all
First
keep
poll's
putting
pin
up with yourselves.
is showing a
I
name
can
with her
do some shit
certificates.
Like that. Hey, Brett. Hey, TT.
One of them's from
Shit
fucking
like that, I know.
Dervi, whatever the fuck that school was called.
Go ahead, Attorney Mimi.
Technical school, like a 6 month or a year long school
I was gonna show
that went debunked
Privacy
with all the
Act,
other ones.
Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, the COPPA. That's the
one. She might be right about the children one.
The protection of minors' safety and information online. Okay. Now
That's why you're supposed to, like, news blurs them out and won't give names and stuff like that.
Usually states follow through with that. So in this particular document, it also says.
But that also means if they were in private, not walking down the street. You know how many people would be in jail going to the theme parks and filming their vacations?
Georgia has.
You know how many people would be in the clink right now?
New York has.
Like,
Tennessee
they better hurry up on that thing in Florida.
Okay. So
Alligator Island, Alligator Alcatraz, they better hurry up. A lot of people got to be in jail from filming all their vacations and stuff
Something that's going to
that are in public.
or even provide more protection.
Because I see them all over. They're just filming everything. Everybody's kids.
Privacy rights and privacy.
Like, just going all over filming everybody in public. Like, I'm not even in pools too, like swimming and everything, and not even their family, just on their vacation, and then post them on their stuff.
And
There could be a lot of people in the clink,
We're talking about,
and that's why you got no expectation of privacy whatsoever in public. No matter who you are, at all, none.
And we're talking about children that are not yours, right?
None, not even children have an expectation of privacy in public.
Okay? We're talking about children that aren't yours, okay? Exploiting children that don't belong to you, okay? For any reason.
It's wrong. It's not true. People film every day in public.
This article is pretty good as
You can just watch TV and see it. You can watch the news channels, like start streaming it, and they're doing their thing broadcast, and you'll see children in the background.
So even in New York, they have enacted a child data protection law, okay, that will prohibit websites, mobile applications, and other online operators from collecting, using, disclosing, or selling personal information of children under the age of 18, okay? And it is in conjunction with COPPA, which is the federal law here that is what's governing child protection online, privacy protection online, okay? So you cannot dox your children anyway. Your children cannot be doxed either, okay? Children have a lot of privacy protection. We protect the privacy rights of children, okay?
That's not true. They don't do enough to protect them. That's an absolute lie.
If anybody has any
The government doesn't do enough to protect the children. She just bold-faced lie. Starting to think she actually an attorney. Starting to think she's actually an attorney, just lying. She might actually be an attorney. Did you? I couldn't find her name.
We are talking about doxing.
I could not find that lady's name.
I'm always trying to bring something to the table to help the people. I get a lot of y'all like to Google everything, but I like to hear it from the source. What's up, Al? I like
Is it spelled differently than what she has?
Can we go ahead and finish off this give gold?
She got a different name spelling?
50 If I can get y'all to get us up to 40 real quick, I need 9 more of my gift for 40. This is valuable information. Thank you, Attorney Mimi. And I could appreciate someone coming and spreading the truth and not lies, because I hear people lie all the time. So y'all, let's go ahead and with 9 more of my gift go ahead. 9 more of my gift goes. So
Maybe
I want
it'll
these
come up
women
now.
and men that have doxed me to understand I have every right to take this to court. Even the information
I think you got enough
Bougie
court.
has sent me also states it's been used in malicious intent. I have every right to take it to court. Anyone that comes in here, y'all take the screenshots.
I don't know how you're getting it. You got her freaking.
Y'all take the
You got her
screenshots
bar
of the
license
people
number.
harassing me in the comments.
So did I. I
Take
can't
the
find it. It
videos
says
of
no
the people
results.
that have doxed me.
Mine comes up no results.
Share them to me, and I'll give them to the lawyer.
Did you
Yes.
see the comment right there? Can I mute that?
So I want everybody to
I
see.
ain't paying attention
name
to
are
the
you
comment.
putting
I'm
on?
trying to get.
That
I want
is my
people
law
like them
degree.
here to hear it, because while they harassing me, I can get their ass too.
That's not the name.
Okay.
That's not the name she's got on her
Fine.
certificates.
She's doing fine, you dumb bitch.
Mm-hmm.
That is not the name.
Yeah, she's a goner.
And that's awesome. I can get all of you motherfuckers. Y'all worried about my ankle bracelet. Y'all worried about my pockets. Y'all worried about the wrong thing. Worry about the person that doxed me while y'all know my first name. Worry about that.
Say that. I don't know where the fuck you got that from. Where are you getting the?
Y'all make sure y'all screenshot the people that are harassing me, and then we'll mute and block them.
Where are you getting the fucking bar number from? Because I don't see that name looking up there. I don't know where you're getting the bar number from.
Go ahead, Attorney Mimi. Continue with the lesson.
I don't know where
teaching
you're getting the bar number
why
from.
the dummies keep using their arthritis fingers to catch cramps.
I don't see no bar number anywhere.
Stereos and things like that. But that is literally the gist of the law. Doxing is covered.
Bar number is literally to log on to the site.
Department of Homeland
It says
Security.
log on to the site with a
And
bar
each
number
state,
and your
has-
ID.
Probably will be instituting different legislation and laws related to doxing.
Supposedly
that may
she's
have
an
criminal
attorney.
and or civil consequences.
That's like specialist, like an attorney for real estate, but she's doing family law.
And also,
It's
what
kinda
is
weird.
illegal is
I don't know why
exploiting
would you go
children
someone that specializes in
that is
real estate
by a federal legislation
laws and for family.
by the name of Children
Usually they'll
Online
send you to a-
Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, COPPA. Okay.
Colleague
And
that does
under
that
act,
specialization.
you cannot, exploit children by
I know
providing
lawyers
their
that literally won't
information
they won't do no work for me because they do the same
online,
thing as her.
Now we have the federal
Or they
law,
do
and
personal
with
injury.
Any federal law, any federal legislation.
And then you go to them and they want like $18,000.
Laws
I'm
and
like,
their
no,
own
thank you.
Legislation. So I also
No thanks.
recommend you look at your state laws and what they say, and what they have in connection with the COPPA Act. And so exploiting children information.
Yeah, because you're putting a number in there that I do not see anywhere. That's not the name that's on that lady's page on her certificate.
That is the short.
It's spelled differently.
You're a little muffled. You're a little muffled, babe.
Okay. Can y'all hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay.
So how can we go about
And some of them have like a middle name, then some of them don't.
them from
You
doing
think they
that?
would all have the
Can't
complete
prevent
name?
anybody from doing anything. Okay. I mean, try not to have try not to, at the bare minimum, right? Try not to put your own information online, right? But if they go out and seek out that information, right?
And if she's an attorney, she ain't charging enough.
right? If they do it publicly or whatever,
Or she's very
then
frugal.
That's a different story. And they bring it online. That's a different story, right? And that's how you can get them. Screenshot it, document it, report it. Simple as that.
Someone says, what can you do to a host that let
I'm interested in
someone
seeing what the.
else knock
I want to know how the
someone
fuck
else
they
on their
found her
panel.
name on there.
Since
I
they
can't
wanna
find
refer
that
to
name on
me
there. It says no results.
letting a grown ass person do what a grown ass
It just
person
says no
did.
results if
I
you
don't
put
think
in her
I'm in
name.
control of what other grown people did. What Lala did.
If you put that
is not
law
my
firm in
problem.
there, that guy's name comes right up.
That's something y'all would have to take up with Lala. But I'll let her
That dude's
tell you
name
the
comes right up.
legality of that too.
So I would think that if a host allowed it on their panel and didn't do anything about it, and I want you to notice what I'm saying. If they allowed it on their panel and did not do anything about it, meaning they didn't drop them, they didn't stop.
I did find it now. Now I did find it.
On and
Why the fuck couldn't I?
continuing
Why was
to
it not popping up before?
exploit the information, then they may incur some. They may. I'm not saying that they will, but they may incur some liability. Okay, depending on the state, depending on the statute. Okay, so my suggestion is, if somebody comes on your panel and does it, you either tell them they need to stop that, don't do it, right? Because you don't want to be subject to any.
Why is her name different? What the fuck?
If they want to continue to do it,
Bro, her name is different on the certificate than it is on the bar. That's sketch as fuck.
you don't have to accept. You don't have to
That's
accept
sketch.
doing that type of stuff.
I wonder if it's that lady. I wonder if that's actually her.
That I told Lala not to do.
I do find her bar, but that lady's name on the bar is different than the one that's in those
Yeah,
degrees.
you actively did something. Yes. If you just let her continue
me see.
going on and on and on and didn't do nothing,
Is it?
you could incur some liability. But because you prevent her
It's
from
definitely
continuing
different.
what she was doing, then you
That definitely
you
different
stop-
names.
you
That is a
stop
very
the,
weird
the
discrepancy.
thing from happening, right?
Okay.
So that would save you.
That's
That
a
would save
fucking
you
pretty
some.
bad
Yes.
discrepancy.
And the fact that it's on video that I muted her.
No, well, they are an attorney, but
That
the
might help. That might
but
help you escape
the
liability.
name that she's
Yes.
got on her page is
okay.
different. On her degrees that she shows on her page are different.
These is grown ass people. What do we do if a host allows that person?
No, I do not believe it's homie.
Girl, answer that dumbass question.
He just came on his real account.
Answer that dumbass question.
He fucking doesn't come in here on
Which
troll
one?
accounts.
These people are dumb as hell. Now mind you,
Oh,
they're
okay.
listening
At least he doesn't talk on troll
Now,
accounts like
Attorney
that.
Mimi,
Allow that person-
I'm
Like, he
glad
wouldn't
you're-
say
I'm glad you're sitting here because
that
you
it's
can see
them
the
on a troll
harassment,
account.
right?
That'd fucking be
You
weird.
can see the
I see
harassment.
it.
Oh, okay. And you are a legal attorney and a mandated reporter. Are you? Am I correct?
I want to know about the discrepancies with her
You know what's
degrees.
crazy? That person right
and the
there,
one on
I
the
just
bar.
blocked them because they were just in here a second ago saying disrespectful things, and they created another fucking page. You fucking pieces of shit.
You don't know if
You're
it's
getting
them.
fucked again, motherfucker.
You don't know who's making these pages. You all could be making the pages.
I want to
Ask
answer
the lawyer.
question, life's a journey,
Get
not
the
a problem.
lawyer's advice.
What do we do?
See if it could be somebody else making that page.
Up and it happened again.
See what they say.
Well, they would need to be dropped again, right? They would need to, and probably not be allowed to return on the panel because you can't. I would hate for you to be an accomplice to a situation.
But I want her to come over here. I want to say, why?
Unnecessary.
Do you know your degrees got a different name? Like, that's bad.
I
Like, your
understand
degrees.
that.
Like,
I
how did you
understand
pass the
that.
bar with a different name?
But
all your degree has a different name.
for you to escape
Like, did you
some
get
type
that,
of
like,
liability,
corrected?
I would think you would need to not allow that person up again. Because if you keep allowing
It seems like a
it
pretty
would
big
show
discrepancy.
that you are condoning the act. If you continue to allow them to share whatever information they're trying to share, it doesn't look like you're preventing it from happening. So there's that. Helen, I don't know what you're doing, but you know, you can't just say incarceration is coming soon. Like, I don't know why y'all.
I'm seriously. There is a lady with that name, but it's spelled differently. That's on the bar.
No, you.
Like,
can't ask her
I just
anything.
don't know
You
if it's
don't
this
follow me, you
person
can get out.
that's behind the camera.
You can't ask her anything. You can beat it.
I don't know if
Your
it's that person
favorite
behind the camera. It could be
content
anybody
creator
behind that
because I'm
camera.
going after them.
They ain't
Thank
showing
you.
themselves. Legit could be anybody. Take my med. That could legit be anybody.
Thank you, Trish, for being on it, because my other moderator should be on it as well.
I just got back in here, y'all. I'm getting sick.
Okay,
I
so
snap-
Lala,
I snap pictures of all of them, friends. I'll send it to you.
questions was about what you did, Lala.
I wonder if that's like a relative of the attorney and they're pretending they're that attorney.
That I'm accomplice to what you have
Starting to
done.
wonder if they got like similar names,
Attorney
relative,
Mimi said as long as I reacted,
and they're
make
saying
sure
they're
that I
the
cut your
attorney of the
camera and stuff
relative.
off, that I will not be accomplice to what it is that's been done. So, you know, people are trying to blame me for what you have done, which don't got nothing to do with me.
Well, so no, it doesn't have anything to do with you, friends. But if you just let her sit there and continue doing the act and don't do anything about
That would be my
then it's
argument.
gonna have something to do with you. But
Names
the fact
didn't
of the
match
matter
up. That's
is
not the
you
same
made
person.
some further attempt to prevent her from doing
I
whatever she's
object.
doing.
I file a motion. That person is not the person I was speaking about. Those names are different. They don't match.
But y'all don't have her real name. She
They
never
can look
told
me up. They can look me up. Fine. You can look me up. You can even file a grievance with the state bar that I practice in. I
got a question.
do not
Hold on.
care. Do you know
Mimi,
how
I
many
got a
times
question.
those things don't even go
Lala.
through? If you want to come for me as an attorney, please
What don't
do.
go through? Huh?
Please do.
She just said
What
she
don't go
works-
through?
She is a federal prosecutor. Why would you?
I'm not a federal. I'm not a federal.
Now she's a federal prosecutor.
What people don't
Federal or-
understand. Hold on,
Why would you
Lala.
do that?
Hold on, Lala. Hold on, Lala.
Good Lord, I'm
People
glad
don't
I'm recording
understand
this.
that Lawyers have real powers. So if you want to mess with me, and I'm not one who's going to.
He's the one who doxed me. He's the one who doxed me.
No, I need to say this because that's for anybody.
Now she's acting as an attorney when she's not supposed to.
I need to say this.
Now she's acting she's an attorney. Now it's not educational.
Because I'm
Now she's making a threat as an attorney.
You come for me and my bar license, you better have a real good attorney on your side.
Now she's making threats. Well, now I'm about to show her name. I'm going to show the discrepancy. Bring me to
And I
court,
got
lady.
Great colleagues who are
Bring me. I don't give a fuck who you fuck. I don't give a fuck if you know Barack Obama. I don't give a fuck if you know Barack Obama and Martin Luther King. I give no fucks. I don't give a fuck who you know.
I'm not gonna cuss nobody out. I don't have time for that.
This is the name on her page.
In real life.
All right.
This is the name on the page.
What you're doing is preventing me from advocating for people who really need.
Look at the middle name. Look at the middle name.
Look me up.
Look at the middle name. Look how it's spelled different. CHA.
The person that doxed me is the one looking up your name and everything.
And now look at the discrepancy.
Please do.
Look at this discrepancy.
Doxed my
When you
children.
find
Different.
let me know.
Different. And different.
Record.
And they different.
Easily look me up on whatever state that
They're
I'm in.
different. They're not the same. Therefore, we ain't speaking about the same
You
people.
can easily find me.
I'm talking about that person on TikTok.
Good. I hope she filed a charges for me.
I'm speaking about that person on Tickety Talk.
Grievance. Please file a grievance.
I'm talking about the person on Tickety Talk,
Who?
not the person that's actually a lawyer on the bar.
There's no disrespect. Is that y'all? Some of y'all YT people think y'all untouchable.
Allegedly, supposedly. Some people like to be
'Cause I'm
touched.
gonna give her your information.
Some people like to be touched.
I'm gonna give her your
I'm
information.
not afraid. Friends, I'm not afraid of anyone on this internet.
Are you giving her threats? You're gonna dox me? So now you're gonna dox me, friends. Friends, let's show your record again. Let's show your record again.
They already brought it real life when they doxed me, honey.
Let's show your record again, friends.
There's no way you can dox me. There's no personal information of me online.
So now she's saying that wasn't doxing. Okay.
Okay, well.
Thank you for letting me get that on record.
My real name is online, but that's because I belong to a state bar.
Thank you, and that's all we were saying. And I don't think so. The names don't match. You're legit. Your fucking degrees don't match.
What do you mean?
You got a degree with a different name.
My name? Show it on his live. Oh, baby, I got all the videos. I got every video of him and Scammy Claus and everybody else. Hey, Alley Cat. And the bad part about it is because I told you, because I am spreading awareness, now they trying to be on some bullshit.
Well, here's the thing. I have nothing to do with what anybody did to you. I'm here to provide information to the general public because
I
you
am.
asked me to be here. Okay?
But is this not what we supposed to use our platforms for?
You can use your platform for whatever you want to use your platform for. That's neither here or there to me.
But why do they feel like they need to try to intimidate people that's trying to do good by the people?
I'm not intimidated by anybody on this internet. I'm not. Please do. I invite you to.
Nobody's inviting you to do anything.
Yeah, well.
I'm not.
Get your name. Get your name corrected.
I am not in the least bit
Fix your name.
trembling. Because what y'all don't understand is lawyers have lawyers.
Ooh, let me mute up, child.
And they don't even need lawyers because all they gotta do is call in a favor.
Yep. And
Make more threats.
I can just
Make more threats, lady.
Lawyers out there who do nothing but represent lawyers.
Make more threats.
Hey Jay, hey him, child. I try to bring the real.
I know, and have ate lunch with, have sat next to, have had personal conversations with judges. Do not play with me.
Ooh.
See, to be honest, these are the kind of people you need on your side. These are the kind of people you need to fraternize with. These people right here that I bring to y'all on the ADHD Live to bring y'all the truth. Thank you, Starry. I'm bringing y'all the truth, and here we go with y'all same motherfuckers. Y'all same motherfuckers that dox me. Now y'all trying to fuck with this real attorney, and y'all gonna get y'all asses toe up.
Good.
And I don't have nothing to do with it, and I'm going to give her your name.
That's doxing.
Don't give it to her.
That's doxing.
Screenshot it.
Yes,
Screenshot it. Here's the thing. The best thing about my profession is that I love evidence.
It's doxing.
So get it. So
Evidence works both ways, ma'am. You should know that.
I'm gonna give it to you.
That works both ways, ma'am.
Everybody in
Bring Obama with you. I would like to have a conversation with him.
Yeah,
We fucked up that country in 2008.
I'm 100% about what I do. I'm 100% about my license. And if you want to try me, you're going to see how serious I am. I don't play. I don't mess with nobody on this app.
Well, I mean, on your page says you are.
I don't really even comment.
Your page says you are just
so for somebody
educational. You're not you're not giving legal advice. So you're already in violation.
To get down from here, spreading the truth.
You're already in violation of your ethics. No, you're not supposed to be acting as an attorney and saying you know this and that, and you're gonna do this while you're an attorney. That is no different than what you just said is illegal by looking people up, ma'am. Ma'am, you better go ask one of your friends, ma'am. Like, I very much tell you and would encourage you to go ask a colleague and ask them about that. It has no difference in what you just said before about looking people up with your name.
Ma'am, they don't like the fact that you just
with your access.
Of the things that they do is illegal, and that they can be sued. And
well, you could be sued for anything. You could be sued for anything. I'm not denying that.
Intimidate us over here like they've been.
I'm not denying that. You could literally sue for fucking anything.
The truth. Yeah. Can somebody give a commercial break, please?
For money. The names don't match.
Okay, sorry.
The names don't match. The lady I showed that's on the bar, it's on a public fucking website. Readily available. You could look for attorneys' fucking bar numbers.
People have been
That you are
for a very long time.
checking to see if they're actually attorneys. So that's why they fucking have the website.
Years, and I've watched it happen. I have not said a damn thing. Okay? And I've seen many.
I don't know if she's an attorney or not.
Okay.
I know the names don't
I
match.
don't say anything.
I know that for sure. I got that recorded.
I look away.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just wanted to remind y'all about a powerful black woman.
Do you hear me?
Heard that? Let's run that back again.
Do you speak?
Attorney, because
I'm gonna drop that down.
if she works for the federal, she would know that's actually illegal.
I like that.
If it's for anything above anything, federal government can't discriminate or base anything on color.
to come in and come.
So she committed another violation.
Leave. You're not welcome. Could you please leave out of my live before we escort you out of the live?
Oh, I know it's not what it can be, baby.
But I'm saying, you see how we coming together and we bringing information to the people? Oh, they don't like that cartel. Hey, Breezy, what's up, sis? They don't like that cartel. They don't like us giving the people real information, not the fake. Because remember, they said that because it's public information, it can be used. But it's been told here today that it cannot be used.
Is the cat?
Under malicious intent.
No, we're doing fucking news.
Rambo.
We're doing
Like
news.
it, I'm gonna just leave you on this. You know,
We're doing
it's
news.
a lot of shit y'all don't like, and if you gave a fuck, it might mean something.
Cartel, ask for an increase of food stamps.
That will never make you
Cartel, go ask for another increase of food stamps.
that part.
You sounded a little crusty.
Back down, friends, and again, keep minding my business. 'Cause
You wasn't minding no business. You have no business. You broke. You on welfare and you live in Section 8.
A black professional.
He ain't never worked.
I don't take kindly to shit like that.
Yeah, it's Mikey. They over there talking about
Knock it.
Mikey.
Oh my God, the last part. Knock it.
But that's okay. I'm gonna give Attorney Mimi his information. No problem.
Yeah, scram Mikey. Please.
Eat your government cheese. Cartel.
All right.
Eat your government cheese.
They better have a good lawyer, a lot of money, and a good lawyer.
I got you for you, Attorney Mimi. I'm gonna give it to you. No problem.
Yeah, they better have a good lawyer and a lot of money to fight me.
I'm gonna hire Obama.
And Rambo,
Obama's husband.
none of your business
I'm getting Obama's husband to represent me.
money for her lawyer.
Whatever his husband's name is.
Yeah.
Remember that stuff that was going
I
around?
just block him.
I'm gonna hire
It.
Obama's husband.
No, let him
I
listen.
believe she's an attorney.
Okay. Okay.
I ain't pressed, baby. They pressed. They more pressed than me.
I know they are.
I in there. They more
You're
pressed than
absolutely right.
me. Y'all gotta realize they're not gonna do nothing but what they do. They gonna watch and hate.
I mean, this is educational. This is just for fucking.
Let them keep watching.
This
They
is
ain't
just
doing
for
nothing
fun.
We're getting the real knowledge. I'm giving real knowledge out here. I'm giving real knowledge out here.
So am I.
Don't worry about what I send friends. Mind your fucking business.
So did I.
I will stop
I'm
reacting.
not like most.
I will stop
Rambo.
reacting.
You need to worry about where we about to send you, because we about to send you to the lobby with no snacks, okay? Well, I'm comment your ass. So I'm sick of dealing with you.
Okay, that's not right. How dare you send him to the lobby with no snacks?
Because we gotta know.
So now you're not feeding him.
We gotta let them be
So
where
now you're not feeding inmates.
they are because they're making themselves look like a damn fool. I ain't making.
You're gonna say you're not feeding inmates?
Here watching this.
Yeah, because I was definitely new in the block and because I ain't about to back and forth with her. So if you
Friends,
say that, okay.
friends, I want to tell you, I've been watching Messy Talk for a very long time.
Oh yeah.
Damn, you should have a lot of cases then.
Since the pandemic.
You should have a lot of lawsuits then.
2020.
You're a mandated reporter, aren't you, ma'am? Thank you for confirming that also. You as a mandated reporter, and you said you were watching stuff. So you should have a lot of intel that you're gonna have to like speak up to. Are you gonna plead fifth? You're gonna plead. You're not a mandated reporter. You don't think a lawyer is a mandated reporter
Do know
on certain things?
understand. That's a
If they're not your client,
Somebody was just asking, is streaming other people's lives against the law?
no.
No.
No, it's not. It's not. It's
You didn't need a lawyer for that.
It's not
Like
against
you
the
needed
law.
to pass the
There's
6th
nothing wrong
grade.
with that.
You needed to
It
pass
may
the
be
6th
considered
grade.
content, if you want to be honest with you.
You needed to pass the 6th grade to know that.
It could be considered. They could be considered a content creator. Right? What's a video?
That's what we are. We're
If they-
satire,
if you record it,
educational,
you're recording it,
news.
and you edit the video. That's content creation. You're taking something and making it your own. That's content creation. So, no.
Rando, it seems you and your minions are more worried about what's happening with friends than she is.
Not me. It's not me. It's got nothing to do with me. That must be Messy Talk.
Nobody see me. I'm
I'm blaming on Messy Talk doing that.
That's using their fingers.
It's Messy Talk going in there trolling.
To type all this downstairs to get attention. I might
This shit all fun for me and just proving the nonsense.
All right, so there's
There's a big discrepancy in the names.
We should be at over.
Hell yeah, she was threatening me.
Already.
Talking about she knows this. I told her, I don't give a fuck, you know Obama.
YT side. So these are YT people picking with me. It's not Black Messy Top.
Okay.
No, it's Messy Top messing with you. You can't tell who it is. You can't tell. Though then I could just have an opposition opinion to that. That's Messy Top going in there.
Oh yeah, you are for sure.
That's Messy Top. Messy Top did a whole like 8-hour session on you. That was Messy Top, man. You know why? 'Cause I got those recorded also. I got those recorded as well.
Okay, so
I don't know what she's or he.
And if you want to go that way, ma'am, you did a whole lot of our side TikTok. You was bringing a whole. I got that on recording too, where you said you don't mess with Messy Top. You don't mess with Messy Top because blacks don't pay you. As a matter of fact, you said verbatim. You said your own people, meeting black people, don't pay you. Don't pay you, and the white people do. Verbatim. Verbatim, you said. White people pay you.
There's a reason for
My own people don't help me. What the fuck do I care? I don't care about Messy Top. I sit by myself. White people pay me.
Nothing illegal.
What she
wrong
said.
with that. The only time that will be a problem is if there's like a gag order or the court is closed for that particular session. But there's no law against somebody walking off the street and going in a courthouse, sitting in the back of a courtroom and watching the show.
Wrong. You can't record in a courtroom.
Unless it's family court.
You can't record in any court for anything.
Put us out. Even DCF, they put us out now.
You can't record it on your phone in a courtroom.
Really? What?
Unless he was a member of the media and then they allowed filming. And that would only be for the media.
thing, or is that a
It actually might be a judge's policy, right? So judges may make a policy of out if you're not a party to a case.
You cannot record it no matter what.
But we don't generally have those type of policies here. Like judges don't really make policies like that. It's literally open to anybody.
Yeah, to watch. You can't record it.
like,
Yeah.
in this two-state
That's right. You could go there and sit there.
that it was the judge's policy that if you're not related to the case or you're not here with somebody related to the case, you gotta go.
Now, one
And yeah, you really shouldn't be going to court if you're not there
judges do not allow
for someone.
Do not allow is children in the
Because if somebody asks you and you're not there, they will ask
That's
you,
not related to
why
any
are
of
you
the
here?
cases
What's
that
your
we
name?
heard today. No
Are you going to run for them and not tell your name?
at all whatsoever.
I have heard that. Yeah, I've heard that.
You're in a courtroom, you're going to have to give up your name. They're going to want to know what you're doing there.
They don't want them to hear those type of things.
Right. I think that's like takes behind closed doors in the judge's chamber.
Yeah,
Because they don't know if you're trying to, you know what, a witness.
Review.
That's why they want to know your name. They don't know if you're trying to mess with a witness or something like that.
So when they
Trust me, I've been to court many times and they ask my name.
if the sync cases.
Well, what am I doing here? Why are you here? What is your name?
Adoptions are usually
If you don't give your name, they tell you to leave.
closed.
You have to go.
haven't-
Bye-bye.
Now, if there is you have what's called adoption docket, right? And so that's when they like do adoption day or whatever, right? They'll let and so in those type of things, anybody can be there. And usually those are the things we actually really want to witness. To be honest with you, I love sitting there watching adoptions. Because it's to me it's the most beautiful thing. So technically those are not closed to the public. Adoptions aren't. But anytime there is something that's concerning a child that's not an adoption, and the court says that they're closed for it, it'll be closed. But more 9 times out of 10, anybody can walk off the street, go walk into a courtroom, and just in the back of the room.
Don't mean they should.
Some judges down here. Okay, so for instance,
Don't mean they
if
should.
two parents are in jail and it's a sync case, then they automatically take the kids into custody. They won't let us direct place with like a family member. What do they do down there?
They tend to like to find a family member to place them with first, just so you know that the child has more familiarity with a family member. But if they cannot find a familiar a family member, then the DCF will go ahead and place them with into the system and with the temporary.
Let me do a short commercial break because
That's an attorney that just said that they don't take your kids away. They're going to do everything possible first to send them to somebody else.
let's complete the gift goal.
They don't want your kids. They don't. That's an attorney. You can take her advice. You can listen.
Make
An
sure
attorney.
that you all are
They don't want to take your kids, whether that's not their objective. So give it to the next person if they can.
We are back in B4 rankings, y'all. Let's go ahead and get up in the B3 rankings. But we need our daily heartbeats. We need our gifts. And we also need to...
And that is true. That is true. That's what they do first.
Miss whoever slew.
I know. That's why I said she's not supposed to be even doing this. She's not supposed to be giving legal advice. It's just supposed to be, yeah, that's my opinion. But I'm not giving you, don't take this as legal advice.
I really want you to be giving them no action, but I know you about to.
Because here's the thing. I'm glad.
Because if somebody goes to court with her advice, you know what could happen? And they use her, because I got to say, I had this lawyer give me legal advice. You know what could happen to her as a lawyer? She could get sued if she loses, because she gave legal advice. At that point, she gave legal advice. Oh no, that was not informed, or the guy could get off. They could get off or something like it worked bad for the state.
Not your arena.
They're not an attorney. Let me tell you why they're not an attorney is because they didn't advise the people that were doxing people not to dox anyone, but they're advising you not to give legal information or whatever you want to call it.
I'm just providing legal information. I'm just providing information. Nobody here has asked me to provide them advice on a particular situation.
Bullshit! I got it recorded. They absolutely did ask you specific.
Told a pro se person yesterday.
You did just ask. You did, ma'am. As a matter of fact, you just acted pro bono. You legit asked specific questions. Answered.
You are at an unfair advantage.
You just asked specific questions on video.
That's what she told someone who was pro se, and I was on the other side. So do know, come play at my playground. I do this for
See, they
fun.
They want to get you upset and all the things because they ain't shit. Oh,
I'm not upset.
They mad. They mad because we not giving them the energy that they looking for. I haven't been giving them the energy.
Here's the thing. I find it funny.
You see what I'm saying?
The fuck they talking about energy? I'm watching a public TikTok stream and laughing at the fucking nonsense that they're doing.
Volatile for an attorney. You haven't seen Volatile Slew.
I think this is.
Oh, good lord, this is good.
You out.
Come to my stream and cuss me
I
out.
say one curse word to you.
Cuss me out. I'll let you cuss me out.
I always want to get muted too. Let me help you out. You're not welcome here.
I got a question, Attorney Mimi. So if you get a
Look, she said, I got a question.
order, how long does the protection order last?
She's asking for public.
Depends on your state. And
Look, she's giving legal advice again. She says nobody has asked me anything.
can last from 2 years up to a lifetime.
Did you clean your room?
I'm gonna give her just like an opinion, just like a opinion. Ma'am, charge more money. You literally look poor. Literally, you look poor.
Examination.
Like, ask for more money. Like, increase your fees.
I talk like this when I do
Increase your fees.
examination of someone.
Fuck, if you're a lawyer, like,
I talk just like this.
Shit.
I don't raise my voice.
you go to court dressed like that
Curse
with
word.
dagotees and
Just
little shirts like that. Is that how you go into court?
very calm.
Get some pantsuits or something.
Because I want you to feel comfortable. I'm gonna ask you the most antagonizing questions. You're gonna hate my line of questioning, but it's going to be in the calmest tone that you will ever hear. And that is the biggest.
Mikey, that's legal advice? Oh no, giving legal advice. She done said it.
For fun.
She done said, I'm an attorney, I know this person, and attorneys know attorneys. Don't mess with me. She's absolutely giving legal advice.
And you wanna know what's funny? I ain't got no kids. So
Anybody ask that?
Crazy. You can't even come over here and tell the truth without being harassed. You see what I'm saying? They didn't want you to tell the people what need to be done and how. See, they tried to derail it. Is what they tried to do with her.
How do they even know I'm watching?
Any more information you need to tell the people?
I'm on my own stream. How does this lady even know I'm talking?
People go and get a protection.
She's on a public stream. She could go private and I wouldn't see it. And she was on private, I wouldn't see it. How do they know I'm watching?
You can always get a protection order for harassment.
How do they know I'm watching?
Threats, anything. As long as there's a statute for it, you can do it. I know in our protective order courts, you can get a protection or order for protection for stalking, harassing, and that harassing could be doing 100 phone calls an hour, right? That's considered harassing in some states.
She's giving legal advice.
Anybody can go get an order of protection as long as you have the proof to prove that you
Wrong.
need one.
Wrong. She's wrong.
Until it's being heard.
She's wrong. Then you don't even need no fucking evidence. Ma'am, you fucking imbecile lawyer. You're a fucking imbecile. I wouldn't hire you to spin a pot. I wouldn't hire you to spit in the pot if I was in a desert.
You should.
You literally just obliterated your own freaking stance.
Which are videos.
And then
Screenshots, right?
And then you report it.
You literally just obliterated your own point.
Where do we report?
Said you don't need evidence if you're getting an ex parte emergency. You don't need evidence, ma'am.
They should know whether
They just go on your word. It's not really evidence. It's fucking hearsay. It's fucking hearsay. Where the fuck you go to get your attorney's law school? We have to tell everybody not to go there. It's embarrassing.
That is most definitely amazing that you came over here.
Fucking
to tell
embarrassing.
people the truth, because they have been telling the people these lies, child.
But when they go to court and they find out that you had no evidence, you better be expected to get a fucking letter counter civil lawsuit for everything you fucking own.
No.
When you don't got no evidence, you're gonna go to court and you have no evidence to show them? Yeah, I don't have no evidence to show, Your Honor. I just came here and said that.
Box me again so that I can.
Well, I got the Homeland Security website because I did write it down.
Okay, well, hey, never mind. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's a 2-page infographic. That is what the Department of Homeland Security has deemed what is information that's and what you're looking for is personal identifying information. Okay, so you got your home address, your social security.
I don't even think they would have a jurisdiction in that.
Your full name, where you work, those things like that. A picture is a picture. Pictures online.
I don't even think DHS has any jurisdiction or standing in that.
Pictures with people.
I don't think they're the ones that would be putting up that law.
So, I mean, that's a far stretch. But your name and your address and your social security number and your financial information, those things would fall under the type of information that would could be considered doxing.
Okay, thank you. Friends, I think I'm getting whatever you getting.
Catherine, I don't do criminal law. My client asked me this yesterday. I don't do criminal law. I do family law with criminal consequences, which is the difference, okay? So I do orders of protection, protective orders. I also do what's called enforcement. Anytime you violate a court order, and I have to my client has to hire me to take you to court to enforce a order that has in my jurisdiction that has criminal consequences. So I deal with those.
Yeah, I want her to come to my stream and ask her something. I want to know what the consequences for
If that makes any sense.
filing a false restraining order.
Or anything like that.
I want to know what the consequences for that is. Or a retaliatory, where someone would get someone against the victim as a retaliation because they're mad. They're gonna try and get one on you. I want to see the attorney that has different names and the certificate that's on the bar. I want to see what their opinion is.
For people who
I want to see if there's anybody in it.
Right? If somebody is doing a harassment thing, I'm not filing a cease and desist. I'm probably going to be filing something else, something a little bit more that has grip or teeth. Yes, yeah, something that has grip or teeth. I'm not using a cease and desist. That's not the right mechanism I would use.
Hey, Chicago John, you need to go before they pull your hair out, okay?
Breezy, I also do custody issues. I was actually in court for custody issues today.
What up, Chicago? What's going on?
Nothing. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt the people's court. I watched over 20 years of Judge Mathis back to back in Chicago, so I think I have a little bit of a law degree too. I think
We got another lawyer.
the attorney up there. So,
We got another lawyer over here.
Oh, don't do that.
This apprentice for Judge Mathis.
I got a question. Don't do that, Mr. Chicago. I don't know who you are, Mr. Chicago, but don't do that.
with my Judge Mathis background, I got
Oh, okay.
So, Mimi, I got a question. So what happens when people threaten to call the frozen water people on you, but you don't really qualify to have the frozen water people called on you?
Huh?
That's ice, by the way.
Okay, how's this like frozen water people?
See how that works, Chicago?
You talking to the wrong person. You keep getting me
That's right, it was
confused,
Senator.
that manga racist person. How dare you, Lala? We all don't look alike.
So, I'm sorry, Lala.
No, it's a running joke, Mimi. That's why I said it. It's a running joke.
Oh, okay.
They keep on getting me mixed up with this other black man that's a manga, that's a Republican and stuff, and I'm sick of it. I told us no. So I need to cease and desist on that.
But bro thinks just because his picture's like that, we supposed to know who he is.
Oh my god.
I don't know about that. Is that person harassing you, Sean?
Anybody can fucking put that profile picture on them.
You know what?
You gotta turn your camera on, my dude.
A red manga hat. His name is Senator John. He's a Kentucky guy. He has a wife over in Thailand, and he makes $20 a month.
You know a lot about him. You know a lot about him, Mr. Chicago.
He comes on, he attacked me. He called me a fairy. He called me a Zesty and Rainbow and stuff, and I have nothing against my Rainbow people. I'm card carrying member to support, but still he does that around.
It sounds like it may be harassment, but I don't know. I would just say gather your evidence and submit it to the DA. See what they say.
Don't submit it to the DA. Fucking nincompoop.
Friends and Lala, especially Lala, they
you're going to the DA. You're going to the fucking judge.
They allowed them to call me those names and stuff like that. Like I said,
And before that, you go to the police.
Weaker male to get all
Fucking
that.
just gonna send it into the DA.
I'm cool with it. It's whatever.
I see where you're getting at, Mr. Chicago. I see where you're getting at.
Why you put me in this and I'm being quiet?
It's happened here several times. I want the footage so I can take it.
I'm giving you nada. I'm sick of your shit.
You see that? You see how she abandoned it to criminals over here on this platform?
Hey, Chicago, I gotta tell you something though. So after I popped out of your live earlier, I went in somebody else's live, and somebody else said the exact same thing to me that you said.
I'm gonna say Chicago is probably from like Milwaukee.
About going
Milwaukee
live.
Ave, somewhere up north by the
You
Cubs.
said to me.
It's
I
my
think
guess.
You're gonna have to end up messaging you. And
My guess is Chicago will probably be living up on North and North Pulaski or something.
Wait, did he just call me smart? I appreciate
He was playing.
Damn, he's like shit. Shit, man.
I will not allow you to be bullied. I live in Kentucky. Would you like me to sugar that guy's tank for you, baby? I got
Who are they? It's like a beggar. She's not doing very much begging today.
I ain't hear it. I might need to drop.
They gonna blame me for that. They gonna blame me for that.
No, I might need to drop.
They gonna blame me for that. Lala, you've been on this app a long time. And
Oh, look. Comments will be turned off. So never mind, they are begging, kind of.
Started to go live.
I used to go live a lot on my
Don't worry. Tell everybody to come over here. They can watch it.
I have a
Let her turn the comments off.
account. I had thought about it, but I just feel like sometimes I don't have the time to dedicate to do something that I want to do and what I would want to do with it. But after I talked to Receipts today, Receipts and me and Wickedest were having a conversation. It is actually something that I'm really thinking about, and I've been thinking about it for a little while now. And then when Chicago said something to me today, I was like, all right, two people that weren't even in the same room said the same thing to me today. So I think it's one of those things of like I just need to push from people who don't see me as the bad guy, don't see me as this piece of shit. But
I wish Attorney Mimi would come over here.
I really do like to talk
I want
about
to talk to her a little bit.
stuff like that. Piece of shit, you know what I'm saying?
Can't
It's
leave for a
people
few
who
minutes to come over here and talk.
see more pro than me.
Well, the good thing about Chicago Don, he doesn't he take people.
Please.
So,
Sir, I am the shit. What are you talking about? I'm not.
Hey, go ahead. You know what? If you're the shit, then I'm the toilet paper for you, girl. I'm here.
I love it. I love it.
Did you see Catherine's comment? She said you would get hundreds of people in your live just to cuss you out. I said, yeah, they'd line up.
No, that's because they either gonna cuss her out or take her down, one of the two, because they just do not like Lala.
And guess what? I got 5 pages. Don't think I can.
They just do not like Lala for some apparent reason. It ain't like she be bothering people, you know?
Even
Conception about people in general, but I think some people are just opinionated person, and sometimes I do need to be told to shut your ass up, Lala. But I stand firm in what people say negatively about me does not move me really. What I get more pissed off about is when
Well, if you learn to control you have to learn to control your emotions and not
I have no idea.
pull you into their realm.
Looking in my blinds like that, I'd be a little bit scared, to be honest with you. Is that what you be looking at her? I'm a little scared of that.
Y'all hear friends over here?
Somebody looking out their window like that, just looking out their blinds. I'm a little bit scared of that. Like, why are you doing that, G?
And everything. Good Lord.
Why you looking out your window like that? What you doing? I'm starting to wonder if they got clothes on. I want to see all hands. I'm acting like the police. Raise your motherfucking hands right now. That's what I'm going to say. So if she looking out the window, raise your fucking hands right now. I want to see both hands.
I hope you gain your own crowd and people who respect you for your opinion and, you know, not prejudice platform. You know what I'm saying?
Dude made himself an actual toilet paper.
you what?
Dude,
People out there for you to
dude made him.
Kyle and let me know you did it so we can get going.
Bro,
Support and I appreciate the encouragement, right?
ironically, filter is like kind of like correlated with toilet paper, sort of.
I mean, I don't know.
Damn,
It's just
you're
one
right.
of those things that I'm like.
We gonna play with what was said today about Lala, but I also have that video of hearing that heartbreaker lie about my case and all the things. I do
have the video too from
the comment.
Thought about heartbreaker. We need her to keep on going on.
You know, and I appreciate people like
Pronunciating words like
resources and
you and that. Because that was a whole. That was a good show.
Harassing them on this app because I would
I
think
kind of want to just rewatch it.
form of bullying and harassment. I think Attorney Mimi came and gave y'all some resources and things that y'all need to live by when people doubt you. I heard last night, you know, people talking about how they were doxed and they thought these people was their friends and all the things. Listen, stop thinking that people are your friends. Some people only become friends just so they can either become you or hurt you or taunt you or all the things, right? And shout out to those of you who are using my slogan, all the things. I'm waiting on my link so y'all can go and get y'all shirts.
I like it.
I was just about to ask. Can
I had to use that all things. That's just good.
Yeah, they use you for sure, Nene. Yeah.
I don't think you invented that.
Yeah,
I don't think you came up with that word. I'm pretty sure I heard that word many times.
They finally released the information for my van, and now I have to get these folks on the phone. So y'all, if we could complete this gift go.
Oh, now she's back.
I almost definitely got to complete my gift go. I shared a lot of powers tonight. She might have went out.
I shared it to her twice. The first time she was
thank you, Attorney Mimi.
I just shared it to her now, and I saw the little green light, so I just shared it to her again.
All right. Y'all, thank y'all for having y'all daily heartbeats. Thank y'all for letting me give go. I think I need
more. 6 more.
6 more of my give go, y'all. I need 6 more of my give go if I can get everybody to let's finish the give go. How you doing? So tomorrow we will be talking about domestic violence and what the women need to do about getting domestic violence together and other things.
What the fuck this lady talking about? Don't she got that charge? Don't she got multiple charges of like stuff like that dating back to like 2006?
I see everybody that come in, and I speak to majority everybody that come in if I'm looking at your name. So for those of you who get to call your name when you walk in, you able.
Like what? Like even before that, I believe it involved a child.
I was in the streets just looking, not saying too much, just looking.
You look her glasses on. Her glasses she had on.
So we need 6 more of my bunny ears. Y'all, 6 more of my bunny ears. Remember, I gotta pay my lawyer fees off. My lawyer has agreed to take $1,000 a week, and if I can do more, I can do more. And I gotta get my van out and all the things. And yeah.
What happened to the don't cash app? They stopped doing that.
For me, I'm a friend.
Magically, it's not posting the attorney. Remember, they just take the money directly.
Central Time.
Like
so
what?
I had to go prepare for that. But thank you for having me.
Tomorrow is our domestic violence conversation.
Mimi, come over here to my stream. I'll ask you something real quick.
Very well versed in, so I will be there.
And I will inbox you on the back end.
Attorney,
because I do think I want to
please come on.
Find out how to, because you know I do have my lawyer, but he does criminal. But I want to see how to file these orders against the people that have doxed me.
Yeah, we're in the same jurisdiction, so giving me your advice is not something that I can actually do.
Yeah, just talk to you and get higher. I don't need legal advice. You've been a nice lady to me, and I kind of call you an associate and a friend. So, you know, it would be different. It'll be a different conversation, trust me.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
okay. I am gonna go. Everyone have a great night.
You too. See you tomorrow. I need 5 more of my gift go, y'all. 5 more of my gift go. What's up, OG? Hey, OG.
Attorney Mimi.
To see how y'all took up.
Come on over, Mimi.
It was nice to see y'all do the due diligence to clear more of the lies up. It's crazy how people like to lie on this app. It's crazy how people. Thank you, OG. I need 3 more of my gift goal, everybody. Or is it 4 more? Might be 4 more. 4 more of my gift goal. No? Yeah. 4 more of my gift goal. Girl, these keys be loud. Thank you, OG. Thank you. I do like how y'all took care of me Mom last night. That's my girl. That's my girl. I care about me Mom. We should be up to 100K. I think I did right by me Mom last night, and I think I am glad that y'all showed lies. I can't stand a liar. Oh, you care about me too? Thank you. Thank you. I care about y'all, you know.
Shut up, give me my populars.
Space to y'all because I felt people were treating y'all bad. I feel like people was treating y'all bad. Did you ever hear what they did to you? No, I don't know what they did to you, love. Thank you. My gift goal has been completed for the day. I want to thank everybody for completing my gift goal.
Make it one.
And now all we have to do is the populars in the room. Thank you so much. I don't know what they did to you, girl. I just know that I saw y'all up there taking up for Sweet Meemaw. Y'all, they are reporting the live, so I need everybody to go ahead and
Oh, she a damn liar.
tap as much as you can. Let's go ahead and tap it up before we move on to the next thing. OG, you can come up anytime and tell your story.
You're a damn liar. Ain't nobody reporting you. Why would they report entertainment?
Yeah. I hope Sunshine's daughter got hurt back day. Anytime you want to tell your story, I still open up my panel for people to tell their stories, air out their grievances. We're talking about the
I know she does that.
Tomorrow.
So it shows,
Friday, of course,
Sheena is pretty profound at just saying that.
Daily heart means too, y'all. The daily heart means are worth 3% of my get go and all. Yeah, she is a beautiful woman, and
But I thought she was gonna play old girl stream again. I want to watch it.
What's up, honey?
Or didn't she say she was gonna play old girl stream? So I'm gonna play Heartbreaker. She doesn't even stick to her own words.
But I know if people
She said she was gonna play Heartbreaker again.
Their,
Wanted to see her
they
like
get $10 back.
with the cat gun.
So
I think that's when she was
21
talking.
days, so it'll be like 18 or 17 more days left. But if you purchase gifts with your PayPal, you get $10 back.
Okay. All right, and I just want
That lady's also a beggar, I heard.
Florida man.
Lovely, I believe she asked for money on the back end or something.
And say, hey, you fucking with friends, you fucking with me. You know? Hey, Cassie, everybody is great. As far as I know, everybody is good. So I hope everybody doing good too as well. So, OG, let's get together, plan a day for you to come and speak your piece. Everybody, let's need to get up 100K, everybody. I need to get up.
Did she try and threaten someone? Like, did she try calling out some name about someone?
Hey, girl.
Sorry, I'm under the weather. I don't know.
Yeah, the weather.
Oh, OG, why are you always under the weather? You was always under the weather.
It's been horrible.
Like you've been talking like that for at least every time I heard you. At that point, you gotta go to the doctor.
Hey, forever grateful. Hey.
Something going on. That's more than just under the weather.
Welcome me into ADHD. Pathetic OG.
She gotta go to the doctor then, because I've never heard her not under the weather.
Would you like to
ever since I've heard her, she's always said she was under the weather or sick.
It don't matter to me, honey. It's
Better go to the doctor or another immunologist or whatever.
You would think they would have learned after what they did to me, but nope. So it was wild to find out the shit that they did last night too. But
what they do last night? You talking about that goddamn?
No.
Does she? You know what? Does she do this?
What they were
She should stop doing this too if she does.
Trying to figure out what
I don't think that's helping.
If she only paid
Switch to patch.
I told you she got a 5-finger discount because she took them off.
That's my recommendation.
It was $80.
Switch to the patch. I've done it like 20 years ago. It works.
So if she only paid $80, what discount was it? Because the room is a motel. It wasn't a hotel, it was a motel.
Yeah, it was a motor
The
lodge.
prices range different at the motels?
Yep.
Okay, it's a little cheaper at a motel. It's I thought. Yeah. But I guess that's another story. I see why.
Mikey, I must obviously in the comments I have you blocked, but talking about me always being sick. Last I checked, me being sick and my immune system isn't your business. You weird fuck.
It's so.
I mean, you kind of make anybody's business when you're literally sick, trying to help you out. Weirdo. You sound sick. You're always saying you're sick.
So weird.
Like, how am I not allowed to have an opinion on it if you're literally get the fuck out of the country? Oh, you fucking beg for the move. I'll be the first one to contribute. I got some ideas. Move to Syria. Move to Syria. Move to Afghanistan, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh. Go ahead. And then say, tell that the devil over there that it's not their business to get involved. Go ahead. Plus, she's gonna say she's sick every time I heard her. That's all I said. She's dying.
I'm sure. So I hope everyone gets to feeling better. Lots of vitamin C. Yeah, that's one thing we don't do. We don't take our vitamin C and all the things.
And I'm not the one that's pathetic.
I agree with you.
Okay? Let's get that straight. He was pathetic.
So,
Now you're OG pathetic.
I'm glad Flip Flop's in here too. So I do compress on nails and like nails, and
Oh, God. She's got a better scam.
all the receipts in the text conversation.
Oh, God.
This, well,
Did anybody introduce her to Carrie?
wanted me to do for custom.
Oh, come over here. I want to talk to you about Carrie.
Started talking.
I want to see if you got
on a
any
Friday
ideas of
night.
what she
It was
thinks
10:26
of her nails.
when we started talking.
Oh, gee, fuck, come on, leave that. Come over
I
here.
would say probably
Make a
about
better conversation.
50.
I want to ask you about Carrie Wells' nails.
Thinking about what she actually wanted. Friday night.
You done spoke about this shit. Let's
Sunday
go to something else.
morning, Dora is on T's platform with T screaming that I'm scamming this woman and all the things. Keep in mind, I kept constant communication with this woman, was sending her pictures and everything.
Oh my God, I can't.
Also,
do
let
it.
me repeat
I
again.
can't do this shit. I heard this shit so many fucking
Ford
times.
custom set of nails was done on a Friday.
I'm gonna be on later when somebody comes back on. That's fun.
On Sunday, 2 of the 4 sets of nails were done.
I know that.
So I kept asking her, "Do you want a refund?"
Fuck, I actually think I heard that for a long time,
And
way before
it
FWA.
was like Tuesday. I said, "Well, you're not responding to me. I have Dora messaging me. Send your money. I'm not
I'm
comfortable
out.
sending
I'm
my
gonna
shields. I'm
gonna take me some cough medicine on behalf of OG.
Because of the harassment, I'm going to refund
And
you
drinking
for
some
the
water on
credits
behalf of
done. I
OG.
will send
It's 'cause I
the
care.
credits are done out to you. Still nothing. About
I'll be back on.
the next day, I think. I have to go
I'm
back
gonna
and
drink some
look at
water
the
for
text
her real
thread.
quick.
I think it was the next day. She finally
Hey,
responded.
everybody, say hi to T and Dora. Say hi.
Here.
Later.
Holly Mae is